Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of volume control not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now before anything else, please restart the Windows audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services from the menu. Now scroll down to the Windows audio service. Okay, this list is in alphabetical order. Right click on the Windows audio service and select restart. I won't click on it, otherwise it will impact the audio of this recording, but you have to click on restart. The next one is to update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each option and select update driver. Update all of these, each and every one of them. And the last one is, the next one is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and then scroll down and select troubleshoot from the right pane. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And the last one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.